Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and add a logo on CapCut. So here, let's say that you want to add your own logo to the edit that you've done on CapCut. What you need to do is just add the logo as overlay. But you need to prepare the logo on PNG so that it doesn't have a background. So just click on overlay, add overlay, and then add the logo like this. And after that, you can just adjust the size and put the logo to the position you want. So for example, I want to put the logo on top, but I'm going to make it smaller like this. Set it for the entire clips, and if you want, you can also adjust the opacity so it doesn't catch any bigger attention. So I can just do it like this. For example, I'm going to go with 35, and you are done. So your logo will be on the edited clips on CapCut. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.